Cash splash, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the phrase, cash splash. It's a catchy term you might have heard in conversations or media. Let's explore its meaning and usage together. Cash splash refers to spending a large amount of money freely and often extravagantly. It's used to describe situations where someone is not holding back on their expenditures. Imagine someone going on a shopping spree or a company investing heavily in a new project. That's a cash splash. This phrase is relatively modern, likely originating in the late 20th century. It's commonly used in business and media contexts. For instance, you might hear, "The company made a cash splash with its latest marketing campaign," indicating significant spending. To better understand, let's see it in action. After winning the lottery, he made a cash splash buying luxury cars. The government's new policy is a real cash splash, aiming to revitalize the economy. These examples show the phrase in different contexts, helping us grasp its versatility. Similar phrases include spend lavishly, splurge, and throw money around. These all convey the idea of spending a lot of money, but each has its unique connotation and usage. That's all for today's lesson on cash splash. We hope this video helps you understand and use this expressive phrase in your English conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.